I'm here in Maliba Lodge in Sesanyane National Park to check out the adventure activities while Palisa indulges in the luxuries of the five-star lodge.
As far as premium accommodation goes, Maliba Mountain Lodge is endowed with both picturesque scenery and breathtaking quality of the rooms and cuisine. It's a paradise away from home.
Thanks, Chochi. A wise man described Lesotho as a sacred experience that feeds one's soul and inspires life. That's how I feel at the magnificent Maliba Mountain Lodge. My name is Palisa and you're watching Discover Lesotho. If you Googled Maliba Mountain Lodge, your search will probably return you a host of web pages and many customers singing their praises. I don't want you to imagine it, so let's check it out. Tell us about Maliba Lodge.
Well, Maliba Lodge, it means the place of water. In English, it's Maliba Lodge, and then in Sesotho, which is the local language, it is Maliba Lodge. It is the only five-star lodge in Lesotho. We have 6 rooms, 1 honeymoon suite, and then 5 other rooms, which is a full, with all 3 meals included. We also have the self-catering units, which is 4 rooms, and can accommodate to 8 people in 1 room. Of the lodge, 75% of the staff helped build the lodge, and it's an Afro-Asian style to bring African and Asian together. We imported most of from the interior decor from Bali, and then the exterior we tried to fit in within the natural environment by having earthy colours and just sticking to the environment. The lodge is the only 5-star lodge in Lesotho. It's very unique, and it is because it's so high up in the mountains. It makes it totally unique and different.
Who comes here?
Well, we have a variety of international and local guests. We have people from South Africa and people from overseas, and then we also have the local Lesotho people coming to the lodge, and even the King of Lesotho came to visit us for the Easter weekend.
And what are the comments of your guests?
Well, they compliment about the food and also the singing in the evenings, and they say that they like, in the winter, the snow, and they comment about the hiking trails and the horses and so forth.
Andrew, tell me about the meal you'll be serving me.
The Maliba trout was served with the almond croquette and hollandaise. We try to use all the ingredients from our local environment, and we usually have our trout coming through from one of the farms this side here. So it's important to try to use what's local and what's more organic.
How long does it take to prepare?
There's a lot of prep involved, but just from kitchen to plate, about 10 minutes.
And what's so special about the meal?
I think being that the trout and the sea, fresh water from the river over here, I think because we use everything what's organic and everything what's from the surrounding areas.